It happened. Pepe is now widely known. As always, I want to start by clarifying that I am not a financial advisor and am merely updating you on the plays that I am in. Also, if you're new around here, think about clicking the like button and subscribing button. Right now, I'm just grateful that timestamps exist because being able to travel through time is one of the most enjoyable aspects of creating material. Yes, I have discussed on my channel several tokens that weren't very successful. But occasionally, and frequently, I think there have been some really great possibilities, with this one being the biggest to date. The Pepe token is that. So, Pepe Coin, on April 16th, I tweeted that the play was absolutely depraved. Do you observe? The supreme Ethereum Gen Pepe Coin. Tempted to FOMO, but instead I'm just quietly observing this token's market cap casually increase to $20 million. We are currently sitting at a $1.5 billion market cap for Pepe Coin, which shows how well the $20 million market value and valuation matured. Yes, you heard correctly. Here, reduce the screen size a bit. And in the cryptocurrency space, everything is looking fantastic. What we have observed over the past 2 weeks has me completely smitten. Again, the excitement we felt in 2021 is present in 2023, and I'm extremely interested to watch how things develop in the future. So, once more, if you're new around here, make sure you think about subscribing to the channel and participating in plays as soon as we start them because, hey, one of them might be yet another Pepe. Something else might be the case. It is irrelevant. At all times. Coins, don't overlook meme. I'll reiterate that. Never ignore a meme. Pepe has been covered with coins for approximately 2 weeks. As you can see, I mentioned Pepe, the Shib from 2023. The 2023 Shiba Inu token was created by Pepe. Since then, this coin and its community have piqued my interest much. But I'm not alone in this. Remember the AMA where it was stated that your pop had visited and that I had spoken with CZ or Binance CEO to get his opinion on Pepe? A few days later, the formal listing resulted from that conversation. Yes, you heard correctly. Pepe has been formally listed on Binance as of the last 8 hours. Today, those 2 items were listed. Qcoin did the same. One of the largest success, or controlled exchanges, after finance, namely Qcoin, now offers Pepe for sale. Last but not least, remember that Pepe is also listed on American exchanges Crypto.com today. Price revelation has occurred. Fear of missing out has set in, and people are beginning to see the potential for this frog-themed token to overtake Shiba Inu and Doge as the most popular meme coin worldwide. Huge supporter of both cryptocurrencies, but sometimes you simply have to watch other cryptocurrencies succeed while holding on to your positions and taking advantage of those gains. Consider this. Just observe the price movement. You guys, $1.47 billion. That isn't typical. These kinds of parabolic runs are uncommon, particularly in the crypto space. Since 2021, we haven't seen them. Since Shiba Inu, none of the other crypto assets that have tried to accomplish this have actually had much success. However, now that we can see Pepe in action, it is inspiring people to believe. People are experiencing the same excitement we previously had about cryptocurrency. And this may be the catalyst for the market's decision to embark on a bull run. The cryptocurrency market is doing well as Pepe started running, with Bitcoin up 2.25% on the day and Ethereum nearly reaching $2,000, up 6% on the day. But once more, Pepe is in charge. And I bring this to you folks. Keeping this in mind, Bitcoin is one of the means by which you might make foolish money. When I refer to dumb money, I mean capital that might not make sense to a traditional investor, the kind of capital that you'll hear others advise you to start investing in index funds or allocate a certain amount of each paycheck to. However, there are moments when you can achieve success that will change your life. It's like winning the lottery when you put in, yes, a $27 investment and turn it into nearly $7 million with Pepe over a short period of time. Play it wisely. Invest in incredibly capable teams. Invest in cryptocurrencies with robust communities because, in the world of cryptocurrencies, community always comes first. People will tell you to stop investing in all the different crypto goods available and to start doing so in Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, XRP, and Cardano, conventional cryptocurrencies with large market caps and powerful DOX teams. But at the end of the day, crypto assets like Pepe are the ones that are succeeding and that quickly bring about gains that change people's lives. I'm eager to see how this all turns out once more. It has been a great ride. And with all of that said, I still think that this is the start of a new era. It has now surpassed $1 billion. Since there were over 100,000 token holders in the first few weeks following the token's launch, I've been predicting about $1 billion solely based on the presence I've been noticing with Pepe, which, to be honest, I haven't seen since Shib. Exceptionally impressive. Get pumped up and get ready because Pepe is indeed doing what it is currently doing. But keep in mind that because everyone is looking for the next great thing right now, there will be derivatives and other coins that will appear and have equally strong performances. We've been observing tokens like Bob People, Mung, and other cryptocurrency assets that have been on the rise. You can view the ones that are trending right here on Hot Pairs and on DEX Tools. Tens of billions of dollars worth of market caps are being reached as volumes of cryptocurrency return, giving us the feeling of excitement we've been missing for the past year. Traders were exchanging more than $300 million. And in my opinion, Pepe Coinbase will come next. But once more, all we can do is anticipate what will happen and prepare accordingly. Be ecstatic. And I am aware that there have been spectators who have expressed disappointment or annoyance and remarked, "I miss Pepe." When Shiba Inu reached 1 billion downloads, people were recalling the exact same thing. But keep in mind that Shiba's market worth reached $40 billion at its all-time high. At its all-time high, Dogecoin's market valuation was $75 billion. Almost. Therefore, the multiplier or upward potential is still very substantial. But keep in mind that while I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in, I can never advise you to purchase, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency asset in the market. Again, be happy since I am aware that this is money that will change your life. I have friends who are making life-changing gains. They are able to now have enough money to support new projects, diversify their portfolio, and do whatever they want to do with the money that they have made. These friends are people I've met online, on Twitter, and just through this YouTube channel. It's amazing. And I'll be the first to admit that I'm thrilled about the number of gains I've personally experienced and that everyone else has in the Twitter comment area. And I value it and value your guys' support. And a heartfelt thank you to the Twitter community. We already have 14 subscribers on Twitter after I enabled subscriptions. You are not required to do that. We are still unsure of our course of action. We discuss all these various topics and new crypto assets that are debuting in a maybe subscriber-only area. Of course, we have Discord and Patreon, but perhaps we should combine them all into Twitter and abandon some of the others. Again, I believe that what we are seeing is amazing and that it could be the beginning of something remarkable. I really do appreciate you all. None of this would have been possible without you. We appreciate the 1,000 of you who signed up in the past week. There are so many fresh faces, names, and faces. But that's a part of creating this unending community that we have created for you guys today. Get excited and keep investing till the next time. Peace.